guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we are gonna do maybe a get ready with me. So it's been about 3 weeks since I filmed. It's been a crazy 3 weeks, so if you're interested in just kind of getting ready with me, and probably just gonna put my hair up, do ponytail. I'm gonna try out a new pony, my INH hair, you know, just do something really simple because it's been forever since I filmed. But if you're interested in getting ready with me, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. Hi everybody. It has been such a long time since I filmed. It's been about 3 weeks. I had the craziest thing happen. My husband got exposed to COVID at work, and he brought it home to us, and I was sick. My children were sick. We were very sick, and yes, so that's why I haven't filmed or anything like that. I'm finally feeling better. It's been about 2-3 days since I've been able to get up out of bed, eat something, and all kinds of stuff. So I figured, why not get ready and film and talk about what has been going on the last 3 weeks. So if you guys are you know, just wanting to get ready with me, because that's what I'm going to attempt to do, then go ahead and grab your makeup brushes or your brushes, because I'm actually going to do my hair first, and get ready with me. I combed my hair out. I haven't done my hair in 3 weeks, literally. I've been washing it, yes, but I've just been letting it air dry, and this is how it looks air dried. My hair is severely damaged, and it is very much grown out. I was supposed to get my hair done probably like a week, 2 weeks ago, and could not do it because obviously I was exposed to COVID. So here we go. I am here looking like a hot mess. Okay, like a few minutes later, because my kids came home from the park, but a lot has happened. Outside of course my appearance, my hair is severely grown out. As you can see, I don't know if I'm gonna go get it retouched up blonde. Probably, I don't know. It just is a lot of work and it irritates my scalp. If not, then I will end up letting it just grow out as much as possible, even though it looks horrible, and then just going back to my natural black brown. I took my nails off because I shouldn't say I took my nails off. I cut my own nails, because the long nails that you had seen me with before, those were my nails, just kind of wrapped. When I got sick with COVID, they started to just bother me. Everything bothered me. It was really bad. COVID was very bad for me. So I cut my nails off, and I'm just kind of giving them a breather. Just doing regular like strengthening nail polish, because my nails are paper thin right now. So I'm doing that, so that's why you see nothing on my nails. But I will be painting my nails, because you know I love to paint my nails, but I want to have them have a little bit of strength to them before I start doing all my nails again, which will probably be in a couple months, probably for Halloween, because we're in mid-August. But yeah, so while we do that, I'm going to comb my hair and put it up in a ponytail. I'm going to kind of show you how I install my pony. I just purchased this pony from INH Hair. This is the ALY Pony. It's in the color Honey, which was the color that was my hair. And it's a 18-inch long mid-length with some beachy waves. So this is the newest one. I'm going to try it out to see how I like it. Seems really lightweight, which I like, because you know I'm a ponytail girl, so we're just gonna go ahead and go with that. So like I said, I combed out my hair. I don't have anything in my hair except for some Olaplex of the oil, the number 8 oil, I think it is. That's the only thing I had, because I washed my hair yesterday. So I'm just gonna spray some water again on just to like kind of flatten the front, because I do have very frizzy hair. I live in Florida and it is super frizzy. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. I popped in my contacts and we're gonna go. So I've been using this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. It has black castor and flaxseed oil in it. It repairs, conditions, defines, moisturizes, smooths, and shines. Kind of when I was living in West Palm Beach, this is what I bought, and I like this particular product. They sell it at most Walmarts, so I bought it at a beauty supply store. I didn't know that they had it at Walmart, so you can find it at Walmart. If not, you can go to a beauty supply store. Not a Sally's. You have to actually go to like an ethnic beauty supply store. They are the ones that carry it. And I'm just putting some of that. I don't put a lot. I just put like enough to be able to slick back the front of my hair and the back of my hair. So that's what you see me doing here. I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair, mind you, because my hair is already superiorly damaged. So yeah, so I kind of just use like that much, and I do use a hairspray too, which I forgot to grab, but that's fine. I'll grab it later. And I use this kind of a brush. I think I bought this brush at Walmart a long time ago. This is a Revlon brush, I want to say, and it's one of those soft bristle, like not soft, but like a harder bristle, so that you can like slick back your hair. And then to clean up all the edges, I use a edger like this, and I bought this one at, I think I bought this one at a beauty supply store. Yeah, and then it comes with, obviously, to the end if you want to like make parts. I don't do parts in my hair when I do ALY ponies, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna start by, I always start this way, and I kind of like slick back as much as I can. So yeah, while I'm doing that, so as you see, like you see right here, like I have some frizzies and stuff, I'll use the little edger with a little bit more of the Eco Style gel, and I'll flatten that out. And then I do the same thing, and I go all the way. I mean, if you guys know how to do a pony, you know how to do a pony. So I kind of do this. My hair is falling out from the blonde. So I use this because it's thick, because I have very thick hair, and I try to loop it 3 times so it stays nice and slick back and tight. Whew, what a workout. And then kind of just pull. So that's just a regular pony. So then what I usually do is I braid this, but I'm not going to braid it. I'm going to actually just loop it back and forth. Kind of do like a swoop, pretty tight, like that, so that I can wrap it into like a tighter bun, because I do have thick hair. So do like this, and then I do it like that, and then I take another one, but this is like a smaller, and then I wrap this one twice. It doesn't matter if it's like messy. You just want that out of the way. And that's how I do that. And then that's how I am able to attach my ponies. So I'm gonna take her out, and she looks like this. She comes with a little netting. They used to send scrunchies, but now they don't, because I have a billion scrunchies from all the ones that I did buy. So we're going to take this out of the netting. I keep all of my ponies in their netting so that they don't get frizzy. Okay, so she looks like this. She comes with 2 bobby pins. See? And then this is the hair to wrap it around your pony, or like with me is a bun. she's pretty. She looks cute. Alright, so this comes with like a little comb. I like to slick it down a little bit more. So we're gonna just do that right now. I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna slick all this. Make sure your back, even though your ponytail is gonna cover that, I like to make sure that the back, because I have like little hairs. So then I take this little brush in my gel. You see, I have it on here. And then what I'll do is all these little like hairs, I'll take it with a little gel and I'll slick it back. And I don't know how to do baby hairs, and for me my hair is so frizzy that the baby hairs probably won't stay, so I just kind of just slick everything back. And I get hot very easily, so that's why I really don't do very many like hairstyles. I sweat a lot. I need to go get checked when I have a chance to see if I have like thyroid issues, because my mom has thyroid and my grandmother had thyroid, and I check all the time, but for some reason I feel like I need to check again. Everything is slicked back, right? And now we're gonna attach the pony. The comb, and you're gonna stick this in to the base, and then you take the Velcro. Oops, I forgot to take the bobby pins off. Take the Velcro and you wrap it around. And because obviously I have a bun, it does take, you know, a little bit more. And I pull as much as I can. And then you just wrap that extra hair like right there. And then you take your bobby pins. And I know it's not sanitary to do that with your bobby pins, but it's in my hair. Take one. And then the other. And there you go. She's cute. She's pretty. I'm a sucker for a ponytail, so this is how she looks. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. I think she looks so pretty. And this is how I do most of my ponies, because I don't like for my hair to be seen under. So it kind of meshes pretty well. Like I said, my hair is definitely grown out, so it looks like an ombre-ish type of thing, which I'm okay with. Doesn't bother me. It is what it is. But yes, so lightweight. Really like this pony. I probably will be wearing her a lot more. So yeah, so that's my pony install and my little hair tutorial type of thing. And that completes this pony install video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. You know, if life permits, because it's been insane. I'm going to probably film another video after this. Just probably change my blouse. And then maybe do some light makeup and talk about COVID and getting sick, losing 20 pounds because I was sick, my ankle, any kind of stuff that I need to talk about, school, which I had to put on hold, and all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.